I'm back in Colombia. Last time I was here, I lost my GoPro at the bottom of this pool. So this time I have a float for it. That was awesome! Hello, it's New Year's Day and I'm on a hike right now through Tayrona Park in the North Caribbean coast of Colombia. It's absolutely beautiful here. You can listen, hear the nature sounds, and yeah, I'm just really enjoying myself. I think there's an eagle flying in the distance. Hey, what's up? This is Dora, and I met her 3 years ago when I was living in Colombia. And at that time, I couldn't even speak Spanish at all, so now it's a little bit nicer because we can actually communicate with each other. Dora doesn't speak English, but I've been studying Spanish in university in my off time and practicing it throughout my travels in other parts of South America. And this is Dora's first time in Tayrona Park, even though she's Colombian. We're enjoying ourselves, aren't we? I know I'm supposed to go someplace quiet to record audio, but that's not gonna happen. The sound and the energy of these waves pumping is just incredible. So the last time I was in Colombia, I hopped on a bus for 10 hours to come here to the National Park Tayrona. It's one of the things to do when you come to Colombia. When I arrived at my hotel room, I ended up doing some unspeakable things. I ended up getting involved in some stuff that I probably shouldn't have, and I never even ended up making it here. And that's a big reason why I'm sober today. I had a lot of problems with drugs and alcohol in the past, and when you're traveling and having fun, it's really easy to get caught up in the party. One thing I found was I'm in these beautiful places, some of the most beautiful places in the world, and I'm not even enjoying them. I'm just locked up in my hotel room getting high, and that's really not worth it. So, I mean, a word to the wise. You want to come to Colombia, you want to party, you want to have fun, it's important, but don't forget about the beautiful nature here, because there's so much to enjoy, and we only have so much time in this earth to enjoy it. On that note, I'm going to enjoy something that I really love to do, and I'm going to fly my drone with my friend Dora here.